Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk you through how to use the WA Bridge Agent mobile application. You can download the app from Play Store and App Store. Just search for WA Bridge Agent. Once downloaded, click open and login using your agent credentials. After login, you will be redirected to dashboard. At the top, you will see a list of connected devices. This app allows you to manage multiple devices using a single login. In the notification section, you will receive messages from the customers. You can pick a chat directly from here or go to the chat section. In the chat section, we have 4 categories. New chats, where new incoming messages appears. Active chats, after you accept a chat, it moves here. Close chats, chats are moved here if there is no reply from the user's side within 24 hours. As per the Meta policies, there is a 24-hour free messaging window starting from the user's last message. During this window, you can send any message without needing template approval. After the 24-hour window ends, only pre-approved templates can be sent to the re-engaged user. Miss chats. If a chat is not attended to within 10 to 15 minutes, it shows up here in miss section. During the conversation, you can block a user if needed, transfer the chat to the another agent. Only admin agent can transfer the chat to the regular agent. Close the chat. Click the number to view or update customer info like email, company name or GST number, etc. You can create notes for the client, set labels such as interested or not interested. All the label settings can be managed in the settings. Label management section. You can create new labels here. During the chat, you can forward it to other active chats. You can send voice notes to the customers. In the attachment section, you can take a photo using the camera, send images or medias from the gallery, images up to 5 MB, documents up to 16 MB, send documents, use quick replies for the frequently used messages, which you can set up under the setting quick replies. Send and receive locations, template messages. If you want to initiate a new chat with the customer or message after the 24-hour window, you can use a template message. Template can be created from the main account and selected here while chatting. To start a chat, go here in the new chat. Select a number from the phone book or manually enter the number. To start the conversation, you can send a template message. That's a complete overview of WA Bridge Agent mobile application. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe for the more tutorials. Thank you.